Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home, and today I'm so excited because I'm about to share one of my favorite Korean chicken dish we call andong Jjimdak or just Jjimdak. So this is a Korean braised chicken dish that instead of the red one, the dakbokkeumtang, this one is based on soy sauce. Super delicious. So let's get started. First, let's soak our glass noodles. Today, I'm actually using mung bean noodles instead of Korean Dangmyeon, that glass noodles, because the glass noodles made with sweet potatoes, and mung bean noodles obviously made with mung bean, so it's less carb, so I decided to use this. Just let them soak in hot water for 30 minutes to an hour. Next, let's prepare our vegetables. Peel a large carrot and cut into large chunks. Same thing to sweet potatoes. The carrot and sweet potatoes together, they're about 1 pound. You can use regular potatoes instead of sweet potatoes if that's what you prefer, but either one, you've got to have one of potatoes in this recipe because, in my opinion, they are like the best part of this dish. Slice one large onion into 1 inch wide. Chop 15 to 20 cloves of garlic. So you might think it's a lot of garlic because this is about like 1/3 cup of chopped garlic, but you do need this amount of garlic to make this Jjimdak taste just right. And lastly, you will need some green onions. Today, I'm using this gigantic Korean green onions we call 대파. If you cannot find this 대파, then you can definitely use regular green onions. Just get like 2 bundles. That should be enough for this recipe. Slice them into large pieces, about 2 inches long, and set aside. Now let's combine our sauces for Jjimdak. So in a mixing bowl, add ½ cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of fish sauce. This is my secret. 1/4 cup of mirin, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. This is another my secret for this deep amber brown color of Jjimdak. ½ cup of sugar for nice sweetness. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Add all the chopped garlic and 5 to 10 dried chilies. I'm using cayenne peppers today because that's what I have in my pantry, but any type of dried chili will work. Just know how spicy is your dried chilies that you're using so you can control the spiciness for yourself. Mix everything together and this yummy sauce is ready to rock. So now I'm going to blanch my chicken. Bring a large pot of water to boil. Blanch cut up whole chicken. I was very lucky to living right next to H Mart. They actually sell this whole chicken cut up into Korean style. Blanch them 1 to 2 minutes and drain. We are doing this so we can get rid of some excess feathers. Still attached on the chicken, and we can get rid of the excess blood that we do not want in our food. So don't worry about losing flavor or anything. We are not losing any flavor because chicken didn't go anywhere. It is still here, okay? Turn on the heat to high heat. Let all the excess water to boil out. Then go ahead and pour the sauce mixture. This already made me so like drooling right now because I know this taster. It's savory, it's sweet, it's like a little spicy, it's garlicky. So delicious. We are going to toss the chicken in the sauce first, so chicken will absorb most of the flavor from the sauce because they are the star of this dish. And also we'll pick most of the color as well. So stir and simmer the chicken in the sauce about 8 to 10 minutes. Then go ahead and add carrot, sweet potatoes, and ½ cup of water. I didn't add water into the sauce because I want the chicken to soak up all the colors and flavor first. So now I'm adding the water to cook everything together, you know, kind of, what do you call, like a harmoniously cooking together. So stir everything together and cover. Reduce the heat to medium and simmer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, this is time to add onion and the green onions. Stir everything together and cover. Simmer another 10 minutes. smell this through the monitor right now because how can you go wrong? Soy sauce based garlicky with chicken. Sprinkle some sesame seeds right on top, and we are done. OMG. This is probably one of the fun dishes to cook at home. Whole entire house will smell fantastic. Whole entire family will enjoy it. All you have to do is cook some rice and go ahead and buy some kimchi from the Korean store when you're picking up other ingredients and serve it together. Ta-da! Delicious. Oh, we're just starting without you.
No, just getting my rice ready.
Can we just eat? You get it first while Inwogu is doing all this stuff. The noodle is always my favorite.
All right, what are we supposed to be doing right now? Not eating yet. It's supposed to be figured out if we're lined up.
It's lined up.
Is it? Mm. You guys made yourself play while I was setting everything up. You just sweat.
Yeah.
Good looking out. They're over here. We haven't even started the scene and they're chowing down. Is this how we do this? Oh, I can't talk like that or people will yell at me. They're not even thinking about filming right now. They're just thinking about killing this delicious meal. Is it good?
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't know yet.
So in Korea, we usually eat this without the rice first, right? That's why there's a glass noodles in it. And then the rest of the juice and everything, we make fried rice.
Nobody can argue about that.
Oh, and in Korea, last time when I went there, they had this Jjimdak with cheese on it. Do you guys want to try with the cheese?
What kind of cheese?
I think it was like a mixture of Parmesan and mozzarella.
That sounds pretty good. Mm-hmm. It sounds good. I can't imagine it though.
You know why? Because you're not Korean.
You're right. I'm not Korean.
We love cheese, guys. We love cheese. Cheese buldak, cheese ribs, 등갈비, cheese 등갈비.
Cheese 떡볶이.
Cheese tteokbokki.
I can imagine cheese. I just don't know about the Parmesan.
It's delicious. I actually tried it because it sounded really interesting.
Chicken's so good. Sorry, I didn't want to say this.
Which part is your favorite? The glass noodle is my favorite.
Chicken skin.
I think I like the carrot and the noodle.
Sweet potato so good too. And onion.
Yeah, the onion.
And the juice. All of it my favorite. Oh, so hungry too. Guys, if you liked my Jjimdak recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more inspirations and ideas of Asian home cooking. Sorry, I'm talking with my food in my mouth.
You just want me to do it?
Where I was. Oh, and remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longast.
I'm Anyo Kim.
And this is Asian at Home. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye.